Hey everybody, today we are going to be going over the homework assignment, which was titled 2.1 Transversals Practice. Okay, so this was actually the first homework assignment for Unit 2, so I thought we'd take some time to go over some of these. We're going to do the odds. So here we go. So this first part, we have 3 lines here, we have a transversal here. Name the transversal. Name the 2 lines the transversal is intersecting, and then identify the angle relationship, which is going to be either alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, or same side interior. Also, don't forget, same side interior can also be known as consecutive interior. Okay, so you can use both, either one. We'll do the odds. So 2 and 8. So 8 is here. 2 is here. You can go ahead and ignore this bottom line. That doesn't really matter at all. So the first thing it's asking us is transversal, which is this line. It's crossing these 2 lines, creating these angles. So the transversal is line A, which is actually going to be for all these, believe it or not. And these are going to be both on the outside, but they're on opposite sides of the transversal. Therefore, they are alternate exterior. All right, so alternate exterior. Oh, and also, sorry, name the lines. Okay, so name the 2 lines the transversals are intersecting. I totally skipped part B, sorry. It crosses line B and C. So one is this part, this is the third part, and the second part is line B and line C. Not a whole lot of room to write this in. Sorry, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Is it a little better? Yeah, it's a little better. All right, 3, angles 1 and 9. So 1 is here, and 9 is here. Okay, so you gotta ignore this middle one. It's a little hard to do that, but we'll try to do that. The transversal is this line here, so again it's line A. So 1 is line A. And the 2 lines the transversal is intersecting is line B and line D. So 2 is line B and line D. And then the third part, name the relationship that exists. These are going to be corresponding, because this would slide right on top of it. So 3 would be corresponding. Okay. Okay, the last one, we have 6 and 12. So let's use red. So 6 is here, 12 is here. We can ignore this topmost line. And, okay, the transversal again is going to be line A. It's kind of silly, isn't it, that they're all at the same one, but whatevs. The 2 lines that it intersects are going to be lines C and D. Line C and line D. And then the angle relationship in this case is going to be alternate exterior. They're both on the outside, and they're on alternate sides of the transversal. So alternate exterior. Okay. All right, here we go. Down here, we got a different diagram, a different figure here. But this is going to be the exact same instructions. So 4 and 10. So 4 is going to be here. 10 is going to be here, so we can go ahead and ignore this topmost line here. You can ignore that one. So the transversal rather is going to be line G. So 1 is line G. There's a little more room here, which is nice. The 2 lines it's intersecting is J and K. Line J, line K. And then the angle relationship here is going to be alternate interior, because they're both on the inside, but they're on opposite sides of the transversal. So alternate interior. Okay. Number 9, angles 13 and 10. So we have 10 again, but this time we're using 13. So, okay, ignore that one, I guess. The transversal is going to be this line here, line K. 1 is line K. The 2 lines intersect are H and G, yeah, H and G. Line H and line G. And then the angle relationship would actually be same side interior, also known as consecutive interior, because they're both on the interior and they're on the same side of the transversal. So same side interior. Still not a whole lot of room to write this, actually. Probably should have spaced this out a little more. And the last one, number 11, we have angles 7 and 3. So 7 is here, 3 is here. Okay, so we can ignore that line. The transversal is going to be line J. So line J. The two lines that intersect are H and G, so line H and line G. And then the angle relationship is going to be corresponding because they actually would slide, they would just match up like that. So corresponding. All right, so I hope that helps us. If you still have any questions on this assignment, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help. All right, thanks, guys.